Hello, what we're showing here is a Potomac Instruments AA-51 and AG-51 audio generator and analyzer set in excellent physical condition, and I'm going to go through a few of the functions to show you that functionally it's in great condition. We're in voltmeter right now. We're putting out plus 10 dBm. Both channels work. Let's try the total harmonic distortion. Put it to THD. What we're on is 0.1 full scale, so we're at about 0.038% total harmonic distortion, residual distortion. That is well within the factory specifications. Let's go back to voltmeter. We're at 500 hertz now. Here's 50 hertz, 500 hertz, 5,000 hertz, 50,000 hertz. As you can see from that meter, it's extremely flat within a tiny fraction of a decibel. Let's look at residual noise with the, in essence, the audio generator in the off but 600 ohm bridging mode, and go to noise. The spec on this is minus 80 dBm below rated output, which is plus 20 dBm, and we're actually seeing a minus 60. This is minus 60 full scale, so that's minus 70, minus 80 dBm, which puts it at minus 100 dB below the rated output, well within the specifications. As you can see, we have a great conditioned unit, and we hope to hear from you.